In this video, we're doing another sound test. This time we have this Philips hair clipper. The full name is on the screen. So here is my sample scale. This BaByliss beard trimmer is one of the most quiet ones in my collection. This Philips Multigroom 9000. This is my golden standard, I would say. And this Remington Omniblade HG5000 is one of the most loud trimmers in my collection. So let's try this Philips, how it will sound. Wow, it is loud. Let's try our standard. Louder. And the Remington. Okay, so if I were to place this one here on our scale, I would say somewhere here, maybe even higher than the Remington HG5000.